For those who are not familiar with the software, VidScribe is a brand new product in the market. It has been launched just last week, September 2019 by Technic Force Ventures LLC. VidScribe AI is more than important for entrepreneurs like me who earn money through video marketing. Due to the software, you can easily get new traffic from other markets by downloading existing videos on YouTube and then re-upload it in multiple different languages. The software will do subtitles and the voiceover in the chosen language, which means you can get multiple videos in multiple languages, which can bring a lot of traffic and money to a business. However, in today's video, I'm going to show you why I gave up on the VidScribe AI after buying the software and using it for 3 days. And I'm more than confident to tell you that in case you're planning to buy this software, this video will help you to take an educated decision on whether the VidScribe AI is for you or not. Stay tuned for more details. If it's your first time on this channel, I'm more than happy to welcome you to my YouTube family. I'm Armstrong Wil, an online entrepreneur, and I make videos on wealth and self-development. So consider to subscribe and let's jump into the video right now. In this VidScribe AI review, I'm not going to show you more about the functionality of VidScribe AI. Instead, I will show you what does not work and what I don't like about the software. But before we get started, let me show you a short video that I changed in different language so that you can have a clear picture of how VidScribe AI works. This is the original one. What is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is a popular program run and owned by Google. It provides a way for website and YouTube channel owners to make money from their online content. And here is the photocopy in French.
Qu'est-ce que Google AdSense? Google AdSense est un programme populaire géré par Google. Il offre aux propriétaires de sites web et de chaînes YouTube un moyen de gagner de l'argent avec leur contenu en ligne.
After receiving an email about the product, I really liked the idea behind the software and that's why I bought it. I have taken enough time to explore the VidScribe AI software. As you see, I tried so many videos and experiment because I wanted to start producing my YouTube videos in French. The first problem with VidScribe is that the software generates a transcript with a lot of mistakes. Now, maybe you're like, you know Armstrong, you have a heavy African accent. That's the reason why the software cannot detect your English. No. You're wrong, my friend. I have tried a video for a guy from the United States with a very clear accent.
This means that you care about it tremendously.
Right? I have also tried another one from the UK and another one from Australia, but still, VidScribe brought a lot of mistakes in the generated transcript. So I had to go through the whole transcript, rewrite them manually, one by one, until I finish all of them. Remember, on their sales page, they state that you can automatically subtitle any video in the language you choose. And remember, after you've uploaded the video, you have the 4 options. So the first problem was to generate a text full of mistakes. Once you go to the voiceover video to change the actual language of the video, that's where the main problem resides. After clicking on the button, it will take you to this interface where you will have to choose a language you want to use. You can also choose between a male voice or a female voice. And then by following the simple instructions, you'll generate the translated text again full of mistakes. I was able to see the mistakes in the generated text simply because I'm bilingual, je parle français et anglais. I took enough time to correct all the errors and punctuation, which is very difficult to do. As you see, this page is very small. I wish the VidScribe developer can create something like a pop-up or a window that allows the user to adjust the space, and in that case, the user can at least edit the text with ease. You may not see the problem with this right now, but when you start editing the text in this little segmentation, you will understand the frustration behind it. And that is because I speak French. What if I was changing the video into Spanish or Chinese that I don't speak? I could have innocently published a video that does not make any sense. Another major problem with VidScribe AI is that even if you try to edit the mistakes in the translated text, the generated video will mute some words, it won't pronounce some words, and it will even skip some sentences simply because by trying to edit the translated text into the little segmentations, You may add a big number of words or little words than what is supposed to be there, and there is no way you can avoid the issue for the moment, because as you see, the creator of VidScribe has forgotten to add a limitation. For example, on YouTube, if you add too many tags, you cannot publish the video until you delete some of the tags. But VidScribe will let you add as many words as you want and then mute all of the extra words in the generated video. Check out a small part of a video I made using the VidScribe AI and see how the words are muted because of the problem I've shown you.
Donc, dans la vidéo d'aujourd'hui, comment gagner de...
So VidScribe is an amazing software from a big and genuine company, but still, the owners should do something and improve the software. But for now, I don't think it's good enough, as they say on their sales page, because if you speak the language you want your video to be translated in, you can make low quality video with little mistakes and only after spending hours and hours on it. But if you don't speak the language, you can't even try, because VidScribe will generate script and audio with a lot of mistakes and you won't even be able to recognize them, which is a big problem in my opinion. Please don't be afraid to try this software. I bought it for only $27, and after realizing that it's not gonna save me time, it's not what I was expecting, I started chatting with the VidScribe agent asking for a refund, and within 5 minutes my money was available in my PayPal account. So I'm telling you to try it yourself, because it's a brand new product. Obviously they will keep improving it and add some stuff, and in case you buy it and find the same issues, you can get a refund, so you got nothing to lose. I have decided to make this review because I wasted a lot of time on this software testing what works and what does not work, and I don't want you guys to go through the same. Thank you very much, beautiful people. I hope you've learned something from the video. If you're grateful, click the like button below and give it a thumbs up. In case you haven't joined my YouTube family yet, then join my journey by clicking the subscribe button below and by clicking the bell icon so that you get notified when a new video is out. And be sure to connect with me on social media platforms at Armstrong Wil. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. See you at self-development.